Hey guys, we're back with the Artec arms that would be pre-welded, and we want to do a little install video just to kind of show you how you're going to use all our spacers to make all this work. So we use a reducer spacer up here in the top of the arm. So if you were looking at this on the vehicle, this is your top of your arm. We use a reducer spacer there because we're bringing it to our 5/8 bolt. Then we're going to use a reducer spacer on this end here as well. Now you're already welded in, so this isn't going to move on you, but I'm going to set that there for a second. Our rod end is going to have misalignments in them specific to the measurement of the Artec spacing, which is 1 5/8. So we're going to take this and you would put the bolt through, and again you're welded together so nothing's moving around on you. Mine's going to move around on the table on me. And then you're going to put this bolt through there. Okay, so this is your 1 5/8 misalignments. Reducer spacers that came with your bolt, they'll be all on the bolt, and you'll just put them together on here. Now we've got this set, and we have our nut that'll tighten the plate, or tighten up against there. So I'm going to set this down, just you won't set it down that way, but okay, now we've got all this lined out for you as well. Again, we're going to do a reducer spacer here. We're going to do a reducer spacer here on the top side of this plate. And we're going to do a reducer spacer on the bottom side. Again, bringing everything down to size. You'll have 2 more reducer spacers that are going to go in your heim here. This is going to create a low misalignment, so this heim is not going to roll around on you as well. So now we're going to start with the larger bolt that came with your kit, and this spacer, and this is going to go into here. And we'll just start that. And again, yours isn't going to move around on you. Mine's kind of wiggling around on me. And you're going to put that to there. This small spacer is to create the gap that we have here because of the 1 5/8 spacing that came in the arm as you welded this in together. So now we're going to take this, and actually I'm going to just slide it onto the bolt here to make it easier. Except my guys didn't deburr it there, and we're going to just do this. So okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to put it into here, and your tie rod's going to go in here. This is going to mirror on both sides, so this will go over to the passenger side, and you'll have all of these same spacers that go onto the passenger side with your tie rod that's going to go over there. So that's how you set up your misalignments, your reducers, everything to set this up, so that now you're back to where we are. And just follow this in the video as you put the install in, and you can go back and kind of stop and pause and see where I put all these different spacers. That'll get you where you need to go. rpmsteering.com.